Well, one day my car broke down and I wasn't going to get paid till Friday.
I was forbearing my loans, and it got to a point where forbearance ran out.
I had just recently moved from California to Texas, and I was in between jobs.
I Googled payday loans, and Payday One came up. I could do everything right over my computer and didn't have to go wait in a line.
I was very pleasantly surprised because usually any loan is just a hassle, and with Payday One it's very convenient.
Click, 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 what you need. Didn't have to go talk to anybody about my problems or my personal business.
I didn't even have to talk to a customer service representative. It was so easy.
You simply create your own user ID, your own password, put your information in, and it lets you also know that it was security.
At the beginning, I think it's normal to feel concerned with the security.
When I went onto the Payday One's website, the first thing I looked for is a secured website. They do have a secured website.
As a customer, I can assure my friends that there's no problem using it at all.
It seemed to be like an instant approval.
Got a confirmation email back later on that day. Within an hour, I had a response email from them saying, "You've been approved."
Like a minute and a half, something like that. And it was over and done.
By the next day, the money was in the bank.
I got the money the next day.
I got approved and the money was there for me the next day. It was great.
When I came back to Payday One for my second loan, it was very easy.
Once you're in the system, you're there, and it's just fast and easy.
As a returning customer, since I was already in the system, it was faster for me to get approved for more money.
And in about 3 minutes, I had my loan again.
It was even less hassle than the first time I went through it.
They treated me like a person instead of just like an object.
I've used a couple of others. They weren't as willing to work with me when problems did arise.
And usually when you get ready to pay the loan off, you have to go back to the location, which could be a hassle. With Payday One, you go online. My honest opinion, Payday One was an easier place to go because I didn't have to leave my home.
I would definitely recommend Payday One to my friends. I think it's quick and convenient and no hassle. That's probably the best people to have, on your side if you need money right away.
They help me, and I think they can help you if you really need the money.